Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will learn how to make a password generator in Python. First of all, we need to import random. Now we need to create a variable for the letters. And now write a bunch of letters into an array. Now create a variable for capital letters. Create another array and this time write capital letters in it. I think this should be enough. Now we can create another array which will store symbols. Create an array and write symbols into it. Just like this, and now finally create another variable that will store numbers. Okay, now let's start working with random. First of all, let's write a is random dot choice brackets and letters. Now let's write b is random dot choice brackets capital letters. C is random dot choice symbols, and finally D is random dot choice numbers. Okay, now let's just create an input that will be called name. Name is input bracket and your name. And now let's put print string name plus string A plus string B plus string C plus string D. Let's run this. And it created me a random strong password. Guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in another video. Bye guys!